I just turned the camera on, 95%. It basically drained it down 3% and 1% while it's on. If we shut the camera off and you turn the camera on, that's quick capture. In order to shut the camera fully off, it's turning the camera in the on state. Very hard button to do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm not even sure you would get it to stay off because the camera goes back into the on state. In order to actually get the camera to be in the off state, hold the tab button in hand, press the off, remove the battery. Then place the battery back in. In a GoPro, you see a red flicker acknowledging an SDXC card. Pressing the on button, that doesn't work. So you need to pull the battery. You can let it sit there for a number of seconds, but you have to hold the on button for about 5 seconds. Then put the battery in, and then you can hit the on button. It is a 5-second in the off state. When the battery is out, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then insert the battery. And then you could turn on the camera. It again be in the off state. My suggestion for you is if you have a battery drain, you need to show us the SDXC card using. I don't have an SDXC card used. That's why we suggest to try without an SDXC card. These are just some of the tips. It shouldn't drain. Have a great day.